Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Workspace is still the best productivity suite for remote teams in 2025 or if it's finally time to switch. Google Workspace remains one of the top choices for remote teams in 2025 by combining Gmail, Docs, Drive, Meet, Calendar, and Chat into a tightly integrated cloud-based platform with real-time collaboration, strong mobile access, smart AI features like email summaries and auto-scheduling, and seamless third-party app support. So whether you're managing a startup or scalar and global team, Workspace helps you stay organized, communicate fast, and reduce tool overload, all while keeping everything secure under one Google account, which make it harder to beat unless you're deeply tied to Microsoft 365 or need custom enterprise tools. That's the full review. Work smoother, stay connected, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech breakdowns.